Hi guys, so this is IMO car wash, automatic car wash video for Tesla users. So we have few settings which I'll show you when I'm there. So firstly what we have to do is let's book the pre-car wash, which you don't have to. You can just straight away go to the nearest IMO car wash and then whichever wash you want. But for the purpose of this video, I will just book car wash. Right, so that's done, and it should quickly come into my wallet, which is still not there. But let's drive there and let's see when it comes to my wallet. And let's drive out there and we will see. Let's go straight in. So we are here in Tesco Coventry IMO car wash. So we are here in IMO car wash. Let's turn this off. All right. So before we begin the car wash, what we have to do is go to the car wash, like the main menu, car wash. That's where we need to go, and that says that we can drive only 10 miles per hour maximum. So let's enter the car wash mode now. So that's what it did. Locked everything. Let's keep rolling. Let's align with this car there. All right. Alright, he asked me to keep rolling. Okay, so now what we do is fold mirrors and enable free rolling. Right, so that free roll is enabled, so that puts the car in neutral. You can see right there. So now we are in a free roll mode. You can see the free roll. Car will remain free rolling when you leave, so make sure you don't leave the car. It's just when you enter the automatic car wash. So the vehicle will remain neutral and free rolling. That's what we need in automatic car wash. So we don't touch anything. The mirrors are the mirrors are folded, and our free roll is enabled. I'll put my hands on my steering. I'm just waiting for these lights to go green. Doesn't, oh it does, it does. So what we do is put the brake, exit the car wash, and put the car into drive, and let's drive it. And that's all done. All right, so we are heading back. Car wash is done, and let's go and edit this video. Let's see how it goes. So I'm recording this in my new DJI Osmo Nano. So the purpose of this video was just for the Tesla users, so that they know when they go to the automatic car wash and what they have to do. So it's just that 2 steps which I've showed you. Enter the car wash mode, and once you're ready, put the brake and click on enable free roll. That's all you need to do. And with manual car wash, you just have to click on the first button where it says enter car wash. That's all. That's all the difference. That's only the difference is between the automatic car wash and the manual car wash. So hope you liked the video whole, and thank you very much for watching, tuning in to Charge and Chill videos. Hope to review Model Y very soon, the new Model Y. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, bye bye.